In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in HubSpot. First, sign into your HubSpot account. On the left panel, look for the reporting icon. Hover over it to reveal more options, then click Reports. In the top right corner, select Create and choose Create Report. When the page reloads, look to the left and pick Custom Report, then click Next. This takes you into HubSpot's custom reporting flow. You'll now choose how you want to build the report. You can either start from scratch by selecting your data sources yourself, or begin with a data set if your team has prepared one. For this walkthrough, we'll build it on our own. Select your primary data source first. If you need to combine information, for example, contacts with deals or activities, toggle on, add more data sources, then check the boxes for the sources you want. A quick tip, only add what you truly need. Extra sources can make the report heavier and may reduce the number of matching records. When you're set, click Next. You'll land in the editor, which has three main areas. On the left, you'll see available measures, properties, and filters. Drag and drop these into the central configuration area, X and Y axis, for your primary dimensions and metrics. Break down by to split a metric by categories like lifecycle stage or deal owner. Compare by to place multiple series side by side, and fields for additional details. As you add items, the right side updates instantly with a visual preview of your report. If you need to remove something, click the X next to it. To refine a field, select the pencil icon to rename it or change its aggregation, like switching from count to sim or average. Numeric fields behave as measures, while text or categorical fields act as dimensions to group your data. To change how your data is visualized, use the middle panel to pick a chart type. Choose a column or bar chart for comparisons, a line chart for trends, a pie or donut for composition, or a table when you need precise values. The preview updates as you experiment, so you can find the clearest way to tell your story. When you're happy with the setup, click Save Report in the top right. A panel will slide in. Add a clear, descriptive name, optional tags for findability, and refine the description if needed. Decide whether to leave the report off a dashboard, add it to an existing one, or create a new dashboard. Click Next, choose who can access the report, and then click Save. And that's it. You've created a polished custom HubSpot report that's ready to use and share.